Today we are going to solve our next problem for our LeetCode problem series, which is remove duplicates from sorted array. First, we will understand what is problem statement is. Given an integer array, nums sorted in non-decreasing order, remove the duplicates in place such that each unique element appears only once. The relative order of the element should be kept the same. Consider the number of unique elements in nums to be k. After removing duplicates, return the number of unique elements k. For the first k elements of nums should contain the unique numbers in sorted array. The remaining elements beyond index k minus 1 can be ignored. Let's see first test case, which is we have given input nums array in which we have elements 1, 1, 2, and second and output is 2. Like in this array, 1 is repeated one time. So we remove that and our array becomes 1 and 2, and the elements present in our array, we return that number only in the form of output. In second test case, again we have given a nums array in which here 0 are repeated one times, 1 is repeated two times, 2 is also repeated one time, 3 is repeated one time, and 4 is not repeated. We have removed these repeated elements and stored only unique elements in this nums array. After storing that unique elements, the length of our nums array becomes 5, and we return that in the form of output. Um, if you already watched my first video, the logic for this question is also same. In this, we will use two pointer approach in which we will take one more variable. We first we will use for loop. We will iterate for loop over our array, and then we will take one more variable, one more pointer, which will store the unique elements in the array. First, it will check if that element is present or not. If it is present, then it will remove that element. So let's see how I am going to do this. First, we have given one function which is remove duplicates, and we have given input as nums array. In this, we will take one more variable which is j, and we will iterate our for loop over our array. Here, like previous, we use if statement. Here, same we use if statement, and we will check element present at j index in nums and element present at ith index at nums are equal or not. If they are not equal, then only we are going to store the element present at ith index to jth index. Let's see how I'm going to do this. I is not equal to nums present at j. If not equal, then increase the way and store nums present at I at the place of j, and then we will return j plus 1. Let's see, guys, is it working or not? Mm. Hi, guys, it is working. Mm. I think we are going to dry run this problem. See what array we have given is 1, 1, 2. Nums equal to 1, 1, 2. First, we have taken j is equal to 0. Let's start from 0. When j is equal to 0, then I is equal to also 0. And here we check is j at 0 is not equal to j at 1. Is it true? It is false. Then, then because nums at j, this condition here becomes false. Then j, j still remains 0 and I becomes 1. Here, when check for array, at nums j, nums 0 element is 1 and nums I element is also 1, then this iteration is also got skip. And now our j still remains 0 and our I becomes true. Check at for 2. Nums at I we have at nums I we have element 1 and at nums j we have element 1 and nums I we have element 2 which is not equals means our condition becomes true, and at that time our j becomes we will increase value of j. Now j becomes 1 and at j at index 1 position we will add the value of array index at I position. Like in nums at j means nums at 1 we add nums at I, which is what is that? 2. Then we will return the length of our array, then length of our array we return j plus 1, then our output will become like our output we have got is 2.